In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this mandala shape with Blender. Let's create a UV sphere with 16 segments and rings. Type G, Z, as in zebra, and 1 to move the mesh up like this. Let's add an empty object. I'll add an array modifier to the sphere, and use the empty object as its anchor point. Ctrl+A to reset all transforms. I'll rotate the empty object 20 degrees on the Y-axis, and increase the array amount to 18. There is the mandala shape. We need to apply a wireframe modifier to the mesh. There it is. I think we can render the scene like this as well. I'll rotate the mesh, and set up the render scene by adding a ground plane. I'll change the render device to GPU. I'll use the sky texture. We need a dark ground material. I'll turn off use nodes under compositing. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.